Okay. All right. Hello, everyone. As I said, Python has one interactive, which means you have a Python prompt. You first run the Python program, and you have your whole machine of that Python. So you have always Python prompt. Python prompt is 3 greater than signs that you will see. You know? And another mode is you do in some other programming. You can access a file. First, the file. We'll try both of those today. All right. So let me close this. What I will do is you need to get Windows command line Windows. How can you get it? There's a shortcut. If you have a Windows laptop, for example, then Windows button and then there's one Windows that you can see here on the left. And then there you can type CMD for command. Then you will have the command line Windows like this. So right now, default directory, users /jun. You might have a different. You can change this also. But here, if you type Python, for example, let me tell you what I have. If you have the similar, you can change the directory on top of that drive, C drive. I think only this, yeah. And dir, then I have a Python, several Pythons. I have a Python 2.6, Python 2.7, 3.3, 3.4. I have 4 versions of Python. At least 2.7 and 3.4. So if you want to run, let me see what's inside as an example. dir Python 3.4. Then I have also multiple subdirectories with executable files and batch files. Batch file, pywin if you want to do, or Python. This is the executable files, right? Or Python WEXE. So whatsoever you want to do, you can use. Let's say type Python to execute. And what you need to do, C:, if you want to do this anywhere in your directory, say C:, or, let me do another way. Okay. Usually my the program folder is in from any directory of your laptop, then from anywhere, you type C:// Python Python, and then you need to specify which version. Python 3.4, then it refers to version of Python. So let's try 3.4. That's what we saw before, right? And then / again Python then that particular python.exe this, and hit enter, then we will have a Python prompt, which is 3 greater than sign. Okay?
You have to type python.get.
No, you don't need to. Okay. This is slow. Sorry. Okay. Then here, let's try. If you want to print any, then print is a function. Is name of the functor, like a function name, followed by open and close parentheses. Within the close and parentheses, you can type, for example, hello, mercy, question mark, and another colon, and enter, close parenthesis. Then it'll print. Here is that this function print function takes the string, text within the parenthesis and echo it. Okay? So that you can see hello, mercy. This is a user interactive mode. If you want to compute something like 3 plus 4, then it returns 7. Some execution, I do not know how efficiently it could do. For example, I'm not sure. These difficult ones, oh, this is smart, right? So whatever that number came up, I assume that is correct, right? That type of thing is user interactive mode. So you can test here. But this is not your program at all, right? You cannot let them type the command that you want to design to the user. You want to make them whole in one file, and then user simply download your file and run it. That is, we'll get to that. If you want to quit this Python, then here, quit, open and close parentheses. Quit is another function. Say anything, quit, right? I have about 50 seconds left. So that I have, for example, if I want to run the Python on that version 3.4 to run a file, then you type this all the way, as we did for interactive mode. Not only that, the same one command after one space, you have to specify the file. I made that file here, so let me try my first printing py, then it executes something as you expect. So let's see what it. So we'll get back to this Python program a little later. Why it takes so long? Because now a screen recorder is running. So this is very busy. That is the reason. So here, this guy will see this Python. This is a very simple Python program, but this is whatever the sequence of Python statements here is executed in at mercy, for example. All right. So let me stop here for a while.